One way to locate points, lines, or any geometric figure is by graphing it on the xy plane. The plane is really two perpendicular number lines that intersect at 0. One number line runs left to right and is called the x-axis. The other runs up and down and is called the y-axis. You can plot a point by assigning it a pair of numbers called coordinates. The first number tells how far left or right the point is on the x-axis, so the first number is called the x-coordinate. The second number tells how far up or down on the y-axis the point is, so the second number is called the y-coordinate. Let's say you have 2 points, and you want to find the distance between them. We can derive a formula for the distance between 2 points by realizing that these 2 points form part of a right triangle. Why a right triangle? Because the x and y axis form a right angle, and that's what the whole coordinate system is based on. The length of one leg of the triangle is the difference of the x-coordinates. The other leg's length is the difference in y-coordinates. Let's try out the distance formula. Remember those 2 points we had? They were -3, -2, and 5, 4. It often makes the arithmetic a little easier if the point farther to the right is considered the second point. So x2 is 5 and x1 is -3. Similarly, y2 is 4 and y1 is -2. Now, we just complete the calculation and find that the distance between the 2 points is 10. Imagine you have 2 points on the coordinate plane. And let's say you know their coordinates. How could you find the coordinates of the point that's halfway between them? Well, that's where the midpoint formula comes in. The midpoint formula says that the x-coordinate of the midpoint is the average of the x-coordinates of the 2 given points. So just like any average, you add up the 2 x-coordinates and divide by 2. And, as you might guess, the y-coordinate of the midpoint is the average of the y-coordinates of the 2 points. So the midpoint in our example here is 1, 1.